Palakpakan po natin. Lights off, please. May I call on Michelle Garrido Gazo, please? No.
You're a falling star. You're the getaway car.
Now the most awaited part of the night.
Go too far. You're the swimming.
The engagement announcement of Mr. Ivan Carlo Vino de la Paz to Michelle Garrido Gazo. Palakpakan po natin.
But it's kinda cute. Oh, when you smile at me, you know exactly what. Oh yeah. 105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years I wanna be with you. Wake up every morning with you in my bed. That's precisely what I plan to do. And you know one of these days when I get my money right, buy you everything and show you all the finer things in life. Will forever be enough, so there ain't no need to rush. But one day I won't be able to ask you loud enough. I'll say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? So yeah. Oh yeah. How many girls in the world can make me feel like this? Baby, I don't ever plan to find out. The more I look, the more I find.
Thank you for everything.
reasons why you're the love of my life. You know
Thank you for everything. You're waiting me for a long time. I'm working in abroad. Na minahal mo ko. Would you be my wife?
Yes.
Will you marry me?
Yes.
And if I lost everything, in my heart it means nothing. 'Cause I have you, girl, I have you.
I love you, honey.
No
I
bending me,
love you too.
nothing else would ever be better. The day when I say, will you marry me? I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you marry me? I say, will you I swear that I will mean it. I say, will you and would you tell me, baby? Got me singing, got me singing. Would you marry me, baby?
All right.
105 is the number that comes to my head when I think of all the years.
One more song from Mr. Albert.
Mr. Albert.
Every morning with
For the newly engaged
precisely what I
partners.
plan to do.
Hello, good evening po. Para po sa inyo yung kakantahin ko po. Sana po magustuhan niyo. Palapakan po natin siya. Thank you! Happy New Year po sa lahat. Thank you po.
Thank you, Albert. Albert, pati sa binyag ng anak ko, ha? Ikaw na yung... Mami, engagement wish bilang ikaw yung mother. Anong masasabi mo naman sa kanilang dalawa? Kay Cheese at saka kay Heart?